Hi, good morning! Welcome to Happy Bahay, Happy Buhay. Today, ang pag-uusapan po natin ay tungkol sa forgiveness in marriage.
Yan.
Isang bagay kung bakit ho nagkakaroon ng lamat ang pagsasama ng isang mag-asawa ay dahil sa unforgiveness. At ang unforgiveness din po is a blessing blocker, kaya imbis na makamit ninyo ang mga biyaya mula sa Panginoon, nahaharangan pa ito. Kaya naman mahalaga that we talk about forgiveness in marriage. Napaka-importanting ingredient po in order to make your marriage last.
That's right.
At mag-thrive na rin po ang inyong pagsasama.
Imagine mo, honey, no? You are in the same room, kasama mo ang iyong asawa sa isang kwarto, and yet, meron kang mabigat na nararamdaman o yung tinatawag na ill feeling dahil sa unforgiveness na probably nagawa niya so many years ago. Alam po ninyo, forgiveness in marriage is the decision to let go of anger towards your spouse for a mistake or a wrongdoing. Sad to say, honey, no, merong mga mag-asawa na merong nagawang offense sa isa't isa 2 years, 5 years ago, and yet, dala-dala pa nila yung bigat ng kanilang nararamdaman sa isa't isa. Alam po ninyo, it's not about forgetting or condoning the behavior, but choosing to move forward without holding onto hurt. Yung hindi mo na hinahawakan o winawalo yung sakit na nararamdaman mo.
When it comes to forgiveness, lagi po nating tandaan that there is no winner or there is no loser when it comes to forgiveness. It's either you win together or you lose together. Kaya kailangan kayong mag-asawa, you work together in order to find the solution. Kailangan po magpatawad kayo sa isa't isa para palakasin ang inyong pagsasama. Forgiveness help rebuild trust and intimacy. Binubuhay po nito ang connection nyo na mag-asawa. When you are willing to forgive, it opens the door for an open and honest communication.
Lagi nating sinasabi, honey, that a good marriage is made up of two believers who are willing to forgive and move forward. Lagi po nating tandaan ng mag-asawang sabay manalangin.
Napagtatagumpayan lahat ng suliranin.
Ako po si Bong Pineda.
At ako naman po si Claire para sa Happy Bahay.
Happy Buhay!